Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. And today we have another first. As you know, Jeep came out with the new pickup truck called the Jeep Gladiator. And I have a couple videos, and this is another new one. Now this is a Gladiator we put a bed liner on there by Rugged, and we also did the Lo Pro Truxedo cover. Now before I go into opening this up, take a very good look on how nice it is. As you can see, it is raining, but I want to get the video in and have to deal with a little bit of rain. One thing you notice, it's got
what we do for our fans here.
I tell you, what we do for C&H, we do videos in the rain for you. I hope you appreciate that. But if you have this Jeep and you want to see what this looks like, this is going to be a great video for you. It's a good looking vehicle, and it's really a great looking top. So now we've seen how nice it looks. Let's go into how it works. Now the Lo Pro it's a little easier setup. As you know, in the Truxedo it has a dual setup. This is a single, so you just push one side. And it's a real easy to use rolling cover. Now, this is a 5-foot bed. And if you get a tri-fold cover, you fold once, you fold twice, it stops right here. You're gonna lose this. Now, by getting this cover, by the way, if you notice there's a support system in here, that's why it was nice and flat before. This rolls all the way up. So now you can put your drum set in the back, you can put your motorcycle back here, you can put a lot of things back here because you're not giving up any space. And it's a very nice looking cover. And as you can see, it's a little different setup. How the Jeeps are, it took us a little longer to install. You know, at C&H, we're gonna tell you the pros and cons. And this one had a lot more steps than a regular Lo Pro. So it took us longer than we expected, to be honest with you. But it came out very nice. Dave actually did the installation on this, and Dave did a very nice job. Dave's the one behind the camera, by the way. So wave to the world, right? So let's go ahead, and as you can see, how quickly and easy it is to roll up. Now, when you get to the end here, you see the little groove here, and there's one on the other side. You're gonna go ahead and take it. Now, this thing is brand new, so I got a little nice little tight fit. Now I go around to the side here. I'm gonna go give it that nice drum look. I pull it out a little bit, real easy to do. And just, I mean, for me, I'm such a stickler for everything looking perfect. And you know, you don't have to do this. You can just rub your hand along it. But I like just giving a little tug there. And look how straight and beautiful that top is. Now,
the big seal on the back.
Oh yes, take a good look here. It does have a very nice seal here. And as you see, it's raining. Hey, it rains in Florida. Who would ever guess? Now, these covers are not waterproof. No cover is waterproof. But they have done a nice job with the seals in here. Unfortunately, you can't see, but there's a very big seal they put underneath there. It's like this fat. And it does a very good job of keeping the water out. So as a water resistant cover, it's one of the higher rated ones. So it's gonna do a good job of keeping the water out. Now, Truxedo does use a UV vinyl. Why is that important? Well, we live here in Florida, and the sun it beats the heck out of everything. So you gotta get the UV protected vinyl. If not, you're just not gonna get the longevity. This is gonna have a nice warranty on this one. I believe it's 5 years plus on this. So they do stand behind the product. Of course, if C&H installs it for you, you're gonna have the 1-year labor agreement. So it covers adjustments, it covers everything. Like if this cover goes bad and they send you a new one, we'll put it on free of charge. And it's nice to have. You're not just paying for the installation, you're getting free labor for an entire year on this cover, which is really nice. I don't think anyone else in my area does that. They probably might do it after they see my YouTube videos, we'll see. But it's good for the customer. I think it's good that we take care of our customer. And as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. You can see we did do a Rugged liner, so let's go ahead and open this up real quick so you can see the liner. And see, there we go. And Rugged makes a very nice liner. I do like, they do all the cutouts and everything else.
The front D-rings on this get
there we
off and you put the front D-rings in.
Yes.
So.
You see the D-rings is up now. Dave knows all this because he did the install on this. Usually I'm in there working with them, but Dave was working by himself for most of this install. And the tailgate. So all in all, it's a great look. I do like Rugged because it is a tougher one. I find it one of the stronger ones. It's going to take abuse. If you're going to be throwing stuff in there, you want to make sure that your bed liner will protect your bed. As you can see, it's so easy to open and close this thing. Get right over here. And as the sun gets to this is going to stretch out a little bit more. So, but I like it nice and tight. And look how nice and easy it is to close it. All in all, terrific look. Now, if you say, you know what, Chris? I got the Jeep Gladiator. I want that Lo Pro cover. What do I need to do? Well, it's real easy. You can go to the website. And the bottom of this video will be the website for our to purchase this, or you can call John, Dave, or myself. We can order so the phone ship it anywhere in the country, or you can come to the store like Lucy did and order it. Either way, we're going to take good care of you. Again, don't forget to hit that like button. It costs you nothing, and we appreciate that. And of course, subscribing to the channel, you get to see the latest product. So again, it's Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. Thank you.